did everything I could to keep flying. And every nickel I made, and I had to work real hard back during those Depression years, and I didn't even know what a depression was. And I'll admit my ignorance, I didn't even know where Pearl Harbor was.
Bob Hoover did, indeed, do everything he could to keep flying. Because he did, this stage, which the EAA Warbirds of America constructed to present its popular Warbirds in Review forums, would have to display over 300 different types of airplanes to represent all of the models that Bob has mastered. War hero, POW, military and civilian test pilot, aviation executive, air show performer, teacher. General Jimmy Doolittle called him, quote, the greatest stick and rudder man who ever lived. Bob is a phenomenon. Quite simply, he is an American national treasure.